Hey guys, it's TBW563 here along with
Road Safety.
And today we are going to be unboxing the SANGEAN CL-100. I can't wait.
Yes.
The Indian Shores Police Department, Federal Signal DSA 6. So, let's get into the box. Alright. Oh my gosh, this thing opens very, very easily.
Easy.
Oh no.
What?
Oh, it's out. Oh, well, and it's not out yet. But, here is the SANGEAN power adapter, which is really big.
Big boy.
Hold on. You're telling me this thing has a million features, but
yes.
has an output voltage at 6 volts?
Bro, that is less than a WR120.
That's less than a 519 or a 996. Bruh.
Literally less than my Easy.
Okay, I'm taking the cover off. This is going to be... Oh, I see the speaker. Yeah. Oh my god, it is small. It is small. Jeez, this thing is small.
Small boy.
Look at how small this thing is.
Oh my gosh.
Compared to my hand, this thing's small. I thought it was going to be
big.
Thing
was way smaller than I thought. I thought it was like one of those.
I thought it was going to be bigger. It's about almost like about the size of my 519.
However, it was way
this thing is small. And I thought I was going to have trouble fitting it on my wall. Alright, well, nevertheless, this is a SANGEAN. I'm going to power it on in a second here. Let me just... Great, this is going to take 30 minutes to take out of the packaging because the stupid thing won't come off.
Is it like bubble wrap?
No, it's not in bubble wrap, but... Oh my gosh, I can't believe I'm feeling this. Oh, the screen cover.
Idiot. I had the chance to do it for Christmas.
There's the SANGEAN look.
But somehow I didn't do it for Christmas.
Alright, I'm taking the screen cover off.
Screen.
Wow.
Yes.
Wow. Alright. We're going to put it on the desk. It's like a blackish chrome. I don't know. Alright, well. The SANGEAN for you. Alright, we're going to plug her in now.
Plug it.
Yes, I'm probably going to skip this because this is taking a while. Hold on. Oh my gosh, why is it taking so long? Okay. Alright. We're getting cord.
Plug her in.
Hold on.
To do best of radios.
The power adapter is surprisingly small. I mean, big. Not small. It's huge, actually. Alright.
But then the end of the cord is like big boy.
Yeah, we're gonna power this buddy on. If I can find DC jack. 3, 2, 1.
0.
It's on. It is on.
By the way, I'm telling you now, that radio is as loud as a fire alarm.
It's smaller than a fire alarm. It's
It's
smaller.
loud as a fire.
Oh, it's loud? How do you know?
I was just told once that it's as loud as a fire alarm.
I doubt it. We're gonna set this guy up now.
Or either that, or it's as loud as a WR120.
I think it's louder. Clock.
Boy.
And this is also automatic. You can do automatic time. What's station 3? 87.5? I'm gonna go to 89.7.
Big boy 7.
Okay. Automatic. How do I turn automatic on?
I don't know.
Wait, automatic. Oh, okay, automatic's on now. Tone. Bass. There's an equalizer on this.
What?
There's an equalizer. You can change the bass. Siren level.
Bass.
I'm gonna just set that to, I'm gonna set that to high. Ah, that's loud. Ow.
Okay, yeah.
That is loud. Oh my gosh, that's loud.
Yeah, I recommend putting it up.
I like high.
Ow!
Oh my god, it's so loud. Alert mode. Voice, we want that. Defeat siren. Unlike the Zolgard, which says defat siren.
And the WR300 that has defeat siren.
Oh yes. You can add alerts. County code. Wait.
It's kind of like a WR300.
Single. New code. Oh man, it doesn't have like the, you have to enter the code by FIPS. That sucks. It's fine. We're gonna.
Aren't those like same codes?
Yeah, they're FIPS codes. Yeah.
Oh.
Backlight. Brightness. Save time.
I don't remember the same code for KHP32.
I don't remember. Contrast.
Compare.
Woo! It's a blue. It's a blue screen. Oh, I don't like that though. Oh. Wait. Dark boy. We're gonna set that to the darkest setting. Siren test. We're not gonna do that just yet. Load defaults. System version 2.20. Hold on. Channel. How do I set the channel? I don't know how to set the channel. Day of the week. Wait, hold on. Day of the week. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. It's Monday.
Monday.
Station volume. Can't hear it though.
100.
Buzzer level. I don't know what the alarm buzzer is. I don't think anybody's done that yet. Alarm 1, alarm 2, clock. All that crap. Tone, siren level.
I don't really set alarms.
Yeah, no. Alright, it's plugged in.
Other people just set random alarms.
Alright, let's see. I'm gonna see. We're gonna turn on weather. Why is it not? Wait, hold on.
And it's kind of like delayed to come on.
Yeah, it's not coming on. I wonder, how do you turn up the volume?
I have no idea.
Where's the volume?
Oh, it's on the...
Where's the volume knob?
Yeah, I think it's on some, like, circle pad.
Oh, yeah. Alright. Alright, 87.5. Let's go to 89.7, which is WUSF.
I have no idea about FM call signs.
90. This is WUSF 89.7.
It's
450.
The speaker quality.
This is All Things Considered from NPR News. I'm Mary Louise Kelly.
And I'm Ari Shapiro.
All right,
Bayard Rustin organized the historic March on Washington back in 1963 and introduced the idea of nonviolence to Dr. Martin Luther King Jr. NPR's History Podcast Throughline has been doing a series of profiles of black visionaries who have shaped the world we live in. Rund Abdel Fattah and Ramtin Arablouei of Throughline bring us Rustin's story.
Bayard Rustin moved to New York City in 1937. It was a big...
Okay, wait. Band. And... Right, hold the... How do you turn on the weather broadcast?
I think there's a weather snooze button.
There's a weather button.
Try press it.
I pushed it, nothing's happening.
That's weird.
We cannot access the weather. It's a weather radio.
The main function it was built to do.
We can't get to it, no.
Sad.
There's a manual in here, hold on.
Okay.
Great, now I'm gonna have to read the freaking manual.
Go through like 100 pages.
There's like probably like 200 pages because this thing has so many features. It's amazing though. To be honest, the SANGEAN, probably one of the best, if not the best, weather radio ever. Because it has, it's perfect for de-icing. Very important. Please read. Your SANGEAN suggests that you keep your AC adapter all the inches away from the radio to the AM band. Okay then. Muy importe lea por favor. Okay. Give me a second. Alright, we're reading the manual here. Quick setup guide 2. Oh, the weather switch needs to be on. Oh, I didn't have the weather switch. I'm stupid. Weather. No message. Oh my gosh, it's very staticky. Yes, it's very staticky. We're picking up channel 1. How do I switch channels? 2, 3, hold on. Menu. Weather channel. 1, 2, 3. We're gonna do. What station should I have this on? Why is it not picking up KC-38? It's picking up KHP-32. Hold on. Alright. It's picking up KHP-32.
Nice.
Not very good though.
Oh, do you have the antenna?
Yeah.
Then diminishing to 10 to 15 knots after midnight.
38.
Bay and inland waters.
KEC-38, okay.
Wednesday, east winds around 15 knots.
We haven't done the siren tests.
Bay and inland waters.
So, well, actually, hold on, weather channel 3.
Oh god, some dudes like to hear about it.
It's not picking up KC-38 at all.
Well,
It's not at station
you
ID.
have to take it on KH232.
I'm gonna keep it on KHP-32. Hold on. Weather channel. It's doing I can faintly hear KC-38 doing your station ID. Weather channel 217.
North winds 5 to 10 knots, then becoming east around 15 knots in the
Good enough. Siren test. Alright, here it is. Stop.
Oh no.
Alright. Oh god, that's loud. Watch. Here's warning. That is loud. I have this at max volume. I'm gonna compare that to the WR-120EZ real fast. Alright, we're gonna go over.
Maybe a decimal reader will be useful.
Yeah, hold on, wait. This is ear piercing, but this one breaks your ears. Like, that one's ear piercing. This one, it's already pierced your ears.
Yep. Thank goodness I didn't get a SANGEAN.
Yeah. I'm also probably gonna mount it on the wall right next to me.
Okay.
Anyway, that's a SANGEAN CL-100 for you. We're gonna end the video here. Hold on. I'm TBW563. Along with
Your safety.
I am signing off. I can't believe I have this.